about that save?
I really did just wake up looking like white trash today. Let's get it! Oh man!
That's how it's done. Good morning.
Morning. What's it got? We got going on here?
So we got a one kick wonder.
A one kick wonder.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One kick!
We got a bent fender. And we got a wheel that we straighten every time before we ride it, but every time you hit a rock, it bends itself back, so you could turn to the right just a little bit better than you can to the left. What more could you ask for? It's a Honda.
It's red. It's got this custom grill. It's custom grill.
It's so fresh. Sweet. All stock?
100%.
All stock. Ready?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna crash?
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
Gotta get the shot.
Trying to set up a photogenic shot.
Go for the shot.
Let's start her up, man.
All right, man.
Cool.
Hold up.
First kick.
How about that save? I wasn't ready. I was not ready. See, kids, this is why you should always be wearing a helmet.
Yep. One kick. Yeah, just rev it out. Give her to it again. Does not like to wheelie.
No, sir. There it is.
So the difference between the XR100 and the DRZ.
Okay. DRZ, much sportier. Suspension is a lot better. It's geared down, so it's definitely better in the woods and for wheeling. It's got better tires, and it's got a louder exhaust, which you can pick or choose if that's better or worse. This, a lot more comfortable to me.
I like the seat. It's a lot better.
Yeah.
I can sit down on this and just ride around.
Once we gear it down, it'll wheelie a lot easier.
Yep.
Once I get new tires, you know, that's gonna make a difference.
Wait, got another Honda. Ride red. Tree. Almost. I'm going that close enough. Well, I guess we'll do a timed lap. You want to do your timed lap?
Me? Okay. Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, it's a solid machine, bud.
Thanks, bud.
Good purchase.
That's fucking roached.